everybody, it's me, 99 Goober Gaming here, and today we're playing Istrold, and I've done the little tutorial here, but let's do this. Okay. All ship parts must be connected. Okay. Let's put that there, this here, not there. Okay. Okay, so let's spawn these guys in. Yes, we did it! Finally! We did it, right? Oh! There's even more? Okay. Oh, Get it? Come on, come on, come on. No, no. Get that. Yes! Did we do it? Oh, there's even more? Okay, come on. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, we have to get rid of those guys too. Okay. No, come on. Destroy that guy, destroy that guy. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, you can do this, you can do this. Let's do this. Oh boy, guys. Sorry I'm not talking much. I'm just concentrating so much. Come on, you can do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No! 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 I did so good! I did so good! Ah. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Wow, I'm not talking much, but I'm just concentrating so much on this game. Okay, let's go. Okay. Put that guy there. Do this more. Come on. Ooh, this is so intense, guys. Because, like, it's so hard to play. I'm going to so finish this level now. I'm so going to do it. Come on, come on, come on. Just destroy each other. Just destroy it. Yes! Did I do it? Did I do it? Please say I did it. No! Yes! Yes, 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 I did it. I finally did it. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, let's put that there. That there. This there. And this there. Wow. Jeez, this game is hard. Okay, stop. Oh dear. Come on, I need more guys. I need more guys. Chop chop. Come on. Can I do this? You can play this game with other people too, which is really cool. Come on. Can we do this? Please say we can do this. Please say we can do this. Oh. Are they gonna... Okay, let's get these guys to go over here. Let's get this guy to go over there. This guy to get over... Oh, yeah, let's get that... Let's get, No! Please, please, please. Oh, dear. Over here. Let's do this, man. Let's do this, Boom! Okay. Yes! Finally! Yes! Yeah! Finally! Finally! Oh boy! I'm gonna try one more level. One more level, guys. One more level, guys. Put that there. That there. That there. And that there. Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, their guys are fast. Oh, get them. Get them. So much. Spawn in, guys, spawn in. Let's get these guys to go over there. Yeah, let's get rid of these guys, because we don't need as many of those. Let's get these guys to go over there. Let's get these guys to attack this guy. I know that is a little waste of guys, but it should work. Let's get these guys to go over here, because we don't want them to get that. Get that guy. Get these guys to go over there. Get these guys to go over here. these guys there, these guys over there, these guys over there, these guys to go over there, okay, these guys to go over there. I am so gonna lose. Oh wait, yeah, I'm gonna lose because we need to get white. That's what we need on these circles. So if I just go like this, go there. I need some guys to go over there so I can get this. Get this guy to go there. This guy there. These guys there. These guys there. Okay, go over here, guys. You guys go attack this guy. Attack! Attack! Attack, guys! Attack! Do this for me! Okay, let's get that guy. Let's go put these guys over here so we can... let's get this, put him over here. Get these guys, nope, yes, okay. Get these guys, cause, get those guys. Yes! Oh, guys! Wow, this game is actually very, very fun. I'm definitely going to make more videos of this game. Hope you guys want more videos of this game. Because, well, they're definitely going to come eventually. So leave a like if you liked it. Leave a like if you like my channel. And subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!